Hey guys, wanted to bring you a quick, simple fix for taking care of a Yaesu MH48 microphone, and actually I would say most of my Yaesu microphones are probably the same. I had the small tip break off on the end of how you connect that into the called the RJ12 connector on the radio body for the FTM 400. So today I'm going to show you how to repair it. Let's get started. All right, so we're over here at the workbench, and what had happened was the connector on the if I can get the camera to focus on this, on the RJ12 connector basically broke off that little thing that you snap into the Ethernet port with. So I have a whole nother bag of these, and these are just a mono price, 6-pin RJ12 connector. And so it's got the little plastic thing on here, you can see. And long and behold, I went to try and replace this one with the one that had this broken off. So I thought, all right, I can line up the wires, I can do this, no problem. And I went to go shove the new one in just to test it, and it's actually a little bit shorter than what the one I have is. So it would not stay clicked in there, it would not work. So I thought, well, I'll order me a new bag of these connectors, one that will fit. Well, when I went to go find out, I could order a whole brand new cable here for the price I could get another bag of 50 with. And this is just a link off of Amazon, or yeah, I got this link off of Amazon. And it looks like it fits everything to a T. I'm looking at everything is the same length for the most part, probably, because this is actually a little longer on this. So it's a little shorter on the coil, but both these ends are a little bit longer overall, as you might be able to see here. This one's lining up of how much shorter this one is compared to this one. And get that out of the way. And too many things on this desk right now, I promise you. So it's a little messy, but it's a little shorter. But overall, it's it's probably be roughly about the same length. It might be a little shorter on the coiled side. As you can see, they're a little bit shorter there. But I do like that this is a little bit longer here as well. So we'll see how that goes. But I think it's going to do what we need. So we can get the one junk, toss it to the side into my other pile. We got the Yaesu MH48 mic here. We'll show you the front in a minute. I just don't want to tip it over in case something falls out. And literally you just have to take this and plug it right into the new one. Plug that right in there. And this will sit right into the little groove. We got the 3 screws for the back of the other ones in here. Get that lined up just right. Well, I started having it on a second ago. I'm going to take those 2 screws out. Oh, this moved on me. There we go. Get that lined up. That's squared up in there. Okay. Now that's all good. So we will put that back in real quick. Oh, one of these little screwdrivers. This one doesn't stand in very tight for some reason. So I don't know why, but it doesn't. That's a good little shop screwdriver for small stuff like this. It works 99% of the time. Put these in there. One of these slots that stays in a little tighter than it does the other. There we go. This one where you back out and rescrew. It's not. Click in just right for screwing. Screw back in to its hole. All right, there we go. That's working. I can hear it clicking. This will be good to go. We should be able to put this back into the radio and make it work. So that is how you repair the MH48 Yaesu microphone. And this is a pretty common microphone, again, for FTM 400s and other radios out there. It was easier to replace the cable than it was to try and replace the RJ12 connector that goes into the radio. I found the cable was, again, $7 to $10, somewhere in that range, versus buying a whole new microphone like $49 through like Gigaparts or Ham Radio Outlet. Thanks for watching. Please go out and subscribe to the channel. and get notification whenever I release new videos. And also check out patreon.com/the ham radio guy, as I release all my videos and information over there first, including my podcast. And if you found this information helpful, I appreciate you subscribing. And thank you to all the patrons that also subscribe as well. I do appreciate you. And we'll see you next time. 73.